Super quick, changing the headlight or the tail light bulb on the top of a Ram 1500. There's two Phillips screws. Get a specialty Phillips screwdriver, take these off. And then there's a little white. Okay, then this little white connector does almost an eighth of a turn counterclockwise, and there's the bulb. Okay, if you can avoid touching the bulb with your fingers, that's a good idea. And then you just slide this back in and put this cover back on. And you are good to go. I've had some people say that this entry system where this light is leaks. There's other videos on the internet about how to seal this, which, yeah, it looks like it could be prone to leaking in really rainy conditions. So, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Dodge brake light change.